Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that shapes pretty much every click you make and every purchase you think about: digital marketing.
You know that feeling, right? When it seems like an advertisement is literally following you across the internet. You look at a pair of shoes on one site and then bam! Suddenly ads for those exact shoes are popping up everywhere. Your social media feed, the news sites you read. It's kind of weird, isn't it? What's going on there?
Well, the force behind that whole experience is digital marketing. At its heart, it's all about using digital channels, websites, social media, search engines, to promote products and actually connect with customers. It's the engine that powers so much of our modern online world. But listen, it's so much more than just those ads that follow you around. To really get a handle on its impact, we need to dig into why it changes absolutely everything.
Okay, so compared to the old ways of doing things, digital marketing has what you could almost call superpowers. A brand can get instant global reach, like overnight. It can use data to personalize exactly what you see. It can measure results in real time, have a direct two-way conversation with you, and do it all in a much more cost-effective way. I mean, each one of these on its own is a total game changer.
And this brings us to the most fundamental shift of all. Traditional marketing was really a one-way broadcast. It was like a brand shouting at a crowd through a megaphone. Digital marketing, on the other hand, is a two-way conversation. Now, brands can actually listen, respond, and engage directly with you. It's a dialogue, not a monologue. And you experience this all the time. When Netflix suggests a new show it just knows you'll love, or when Amazon shows you what customers also bought. That feels like it was made just for you, doesn't it? Well, because in a way, it was. That's that data-driven personalization in action. So, how does this new world really stack up against the old one? In part 2, let's put them head to head. Traditional versus digital. When you actually put them side by side, the differences are just stark. Traditional channels like print and TV were fixed with a pretty local reach. Digital is global and it's instant. But the real revolution is in the data. With traditional ads, it was so difficult to measure the impact. With digital, you can see results instantly and adapt a campaign on the fly. And feedback? It's no longer some indirect survey weeks later. It's a direct public comment or review right now. Okay, so where is all of this going? That takes us to part 3, the seamless future. This is all about moving beyond just using different channels and toward making them all work together as one. The way we experience brands has evolved. We started with just a single traditional channel, right? Like a physical store. Then we moved to multi-channel, where a brand had a store and a website, but they operated in their own little worlds. The goal today is omni-channel, where every single piece is integrated into one totally seamless journey for you, the customer. And this gets to the core philosophy of all modern marketing. The goal isn't digital versus traditional anymore. It's about creating one seamless brand experience for the customer, no matter where they are. It's not about replacement, it's all about integration. And this is why the best brands just feel so effortless. You order on the Starbucks app, and your coffee is just sitting there waiting for you when you walk in. You buy something online from Decathlon and pick it up an hour later at the local store. That is the omni-channel vision right there in real life. The online and the offline worlds working in perfect harmony. So the modern marketer's toolkit really boils down to 3 key things. It has to start with a data-driven strategy. That's the foundation. But that data is useless if you don't create genuine interactive engagement with your customers. And finally, it all has to be tied together through that seamless integration across every channel. It's a blend of science, conversation, and architecture. So I'll leave you with this final thought. The next time you interact with a brand, on your phone, on your laptop, or in a physical store, just notice. Pay attention to how they're trying to connect the dots. Look for that single, seamless experience. The question to leave you with is, how are they going to connect with you?